Okay, so I'm going to start recording this meeting now. And good to see you all. So I see some camera still off. Arthur, can you please turn the camera on? Paranika, please turn the camera on.
Excuse me, my camera, I don't have a camera, so I can't turn my camera on.
You don't have a camera?
No, it's because I'm using an old computer that doesn't have a camera.
Okay, so
We're gonna buy one.
okay, very good. Yeah, because for the camp, you will need the camera on so we can actually see and interact, because it'll be hard to learn a language when we cannot see your face and your lip movement. Okay, it'll be good if you can buy one. Okay, Paranika, please turn the camera on. Okay, Namaste. Aryan, do you have a question?
So on my screen, it says this meeting is being recorded.
Right, it is being recorded. Okay, so you don't have to do anything about it. It's just being recorded.
Yeah, but it says continue or end meeting.
So don't leave the meeting. Please stay on the meeting, right? Okay, Krishu.
Continue.
Krishu, आपको कोई सवाल है? Okay.
जी मुझे पहले ही वर्णमाला पता है. क्वेश्चन था मेरे पास, मैं असाइनमेंट को कैसे एक्सेस करूं?
Access मैं आपको जब ये क्लास हो जाएगी, his question is how to access the assignment, because he knows the Varnamala already. So I will send the assignments after the class is done, and you will have 1 week to finish your assignments. Basically, in the first week, you will just practice writing the Varnamala 3 times and saying it on VoiceThread. Even if you know it already, we need to see it, and that's why you'll have to complete the assignment. So, Krishu, did I answer your question?
Yeah, is it gonna come in WhatsApp group?
No, it will come in your email. So everybody please keep an eye on your emails, and you'll also get a link to join the Google Classroom, where we'll all be in one classroom for the camp, and then you'll be assigned to your individual classrooms. So for now, you'll be all in that same one classroom, and that's where also we will post our links. Okay. And you will also join the VoiceThread group for this particular camp and the Edpuzzle group. So the assignments will also be posted there. So you will have several ways to access the assignments. And best thing is check your email. If you don't check, if your parents check your emails, have them forward the emails to you regarding the class assignment. Okay.
And can I leave the meeting because I know this?
Yeah, if you know the Varnamala, if you don't need to hear, but maybe the first day, I think it's a good idea. Do you know how the vowels and the consonants originate, where the sound comes from?
No.
No, right? So it's a good idea to stay for this lesson today, and then you can, beginning next week, you may skip the lesson if that's okay. Okay? Okay, Siddharth, do you have a question?
Yes. My screen went blank. My computer screen.
Your screen, Siddharth? Okay, I see on two. I see on 2 screens right now. Okay.
I joined from a phone.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen again for the Varnamala here, so that we can get started. Share screen. Okay. So now we're going to say these 2 lines together. We will in a little bit of a singing way. I will say, you say after me. A, I, U, ri. A, I, U, ri. E, I, o, au. Aha.
E, I.
E, I, o, au. Aha. And I will have this recording on the VoiceThread, so you can listen to it again and again. So now we start the next line, which is the group of consonants. The first group of consonants begin from the throat. So everybody put your index finger on your throat. That's where the sound is going to come from. Ka, kha. Can you say with me? Ka, kha. So this first letter is, and you can see the chart here. And this first 5 consonants are coming from the throat region. So it's called guttural sound or kancha sound. First letter is without air or unaspirated sound, and second letter is with air. It's called aspirated. So ka, kha. Can you hear the difference between the two sounds? Ka, kha. Then the next two, ga, gha. And the fifth sound in each group is nga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Okay, so I'm going to call on Ananya here. Ananya, can you please unmute yourself and say these 5 letters?
Okay. K, k, g, g, d.
Anga, anga, anga. That's the nasal sound. Ka, kha, ga, ga, anga.
Ang.
Okay, bahut acha. Very good. Bahut acha is very good. Okay. Next group is starts from the palate area. So these are called palatal sound. It starts where the tongue begins. So again, the first letter is without air, second with air. Ch, ch, then j, jh, nya. Okay, so I will call on Krishiv here. Can you please say these 5 letters?
Yeah. Ch, ch, j, jh, nya.
Bahut acha, very good. Now you can see the chart. They are called Talavi or palatal. They come from the region where the palate or tongue begins. Now next group is called retroflex. So the tongue touches the roof of the mouth, and that's where the sound comes. These are called retroflex or murdhanya. So ta, tha. Again, listen the difference between ta and tha. It's aspirated. Then da, dha, ana. So if you say together ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Okay, Karina, do you want to say these 5?
Okay.
So if you want me to help you again, it's ta, tha.
Da, tha,
Very good. Da, dha,
dha, dha,
ana.
ra.
Right. So you're touching the tongue to the roof of the mouth to say these 5 alphabets. Can you say all together, Karina?
I'll try.
Try it.
Gha, gha,
No, no, no. Ta, tha. Touch the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Ta,
da,
ta, tha,
tha, da,
ta, tha,
tha, tha,
da, dha,
dha, dha,
ana.
ana. Yeah, now I kind of got it.
Da, tha, da, dha, na.
Tha, tha, da, da, da.
Bahut acha. Okay. So now from the roof of the mouth, we come to the teeth. And now the tongue touches the teeth. So that's called dental. These are dental sounds or dantya. So we're going to say the tongue between your 2 teeth, the upper and lower teeth, behind the first 2, the middle 2 teeth. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Together, ta, tha, da, dha, na. So there is a difference between this ta, tha, da, dha, na and ta, tha, da, dha, na. Even though they are same T, th, d, dh, n, the retroflex sounds are written with capitalized T, th in English transcription. And the smaller, the ta, tha, da, dha, na, the dental sounds are soft. So in English, we don't have these sounds ta, tha, da, dha, na. We all have ta, tha, da, dha, na. So this is ta, tha, da, dha, na. Aradhya, can you say this, please? Unmute.
Da, 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 na.
So ta, tha, da, dha, na are from the retroflex group. Now we are on the dental group. So you're going to touch the tongue to the teeth. Ta, tha, da, dha. Like this is the dha in your name, Aradhya. That's the dha. So ta, tha, da, dha, na. Can you say these? Ta,
Da,
ta,
da, ta,
not ta. Bring your tongue to the teeth. Ta.
The,
da,
Ha, very good. Tha,
the,
ta,
the,
da,
the with the tongue between your teeth. The.
the,
da.
बहुत अच्छा. Dha, dha,
Thank you.
dha,
Huh?
complete तो करो बेटा.
dha, dha,
The, next is
Dha.
the,
dha, dha.
Da,
हाँ, और na,
na,
na.
na,
If you take your tongue up, it will come as na, but say it as na.
no,
na,
Na, more, bring your tongue towards your teeth. Na.
na.
बहुत अच्छा, very good. Now say all 5 together. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Keep touching your tongue to your teeth.
Da,
Ta,
ta,
ta. Bring your tongue.
da,
see, वहाँ पे भी लिखा है. The,
da,
Very good.
the,
da,
the,
da,
the,
da,
na.
na.
Excellent. Okay, so again, you can see in the chart, we started at the throat, then at the palate, then the roof of the mouth, then teeth, and then your lips. It's a very logically organized language. So the next group is from the lips, where just the lips touch each other like this. Pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. So like, little babies, they don't have teeth, they don't know how to use their tongue, and that's why they say pa, ba, ba, mama. That's why in all the languages, mama is the mom, because they can easily make these sounds, and papa is dad, because they can make the sound just by putting the lips together. So this is pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. Okay, so let's say who wants to go? Who can say this? Say that again, please.
इस बार हम बोल सकते हैं क्या?
Yeah, आप बोल सकते हैं. Please say.
Pa, 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 ma.
बहुत अच्छा. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Now the next 4. So these are called semi-vowels. And out of these are ya, like in English you have Y, this is ya, ra is R, la, va. Ya, ra, la, va. Arthur, can you try these 4, please?
Yara la ma
Va.
va
Ya, ra, la, va.
raya la ra
Try again. Ya,
ya
ra,
ra
la,
la
va.
va
Try again all 4 together.
ya ra la va.
बहुत अच्छा. Excellent. Okay, moving on to the next one. Now these are called warm sounds or hissing sounds, because when you put the hand in front of you, when you're saying this, you can hear you can feel the warm air coming out. So say with me, sh, and feel the air coming on your hand. Sh. There are 2 shs. One sh coming from your palate region, then second sh is coming from the retroflex region. Sh, sh, s, h. Okay, Jahan, you want to try these 4? बहुत अच्छा. श, श, स, ह. Excellent. सोहम, आपको कोई सवाल है?
नेहा को बोलना है.
आपको बोलना है. अभी हम सबको बारी बारी से मौका देंगे, but you can speak on the voice thread assignment when there is all yours to say all the letters, right? Okay. So the next 4 are conjunct letters. So that means they are made by combining 2 or 3 sounds. And first one is ksha. K, this first consonant k, and then second consonant is sha, sha, sa, the sha, put together ksha. Then gnya, that comes together with ja, nga, nya, and ya, but we say it as gya. Then tra, is conjunct sound of ta and ra, tra, and shra, which is conjunct of sha and ra. So I'll say again, please say after me, ksha, gya, tra, shra. Okay, so okay mane okay. So let's go. Who wants to answer? Is Sohan here? Sohan or Soham Vemula?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to say?
Ksha, na, tra, sha.
Shra.
Shra.
Shra. Like if you know friends who have names like Shri or Shreya or Shruti, this is the Shra that we use for that. Okay, so then 5 letters at the bottom. They have, you see this dot at the bottom. So we call dot a bindi. Bindi is a dot, like you see this dot on the forehead, that's also bindi. Similarly, there is this dot in Hindi. It's called bindi. And when there's a bindi at the bottom, you pronounce the same letter slightly differently. So this is a k at the top. At the bottom, it's more from the throat, like ko, like we say q, ko. Then this j with the dot at the bottom is pronounced as z. Then da, dot at the bottom is ada. Dha, dot at the bottom is adha. Tha, this was from the labial group. But if you have to say some English words like fool or flower, then it's fa with a dot at the bottom. So see the difference between fa and pa. Pa. This is fa. Okay, so let's see who wants to try next. Who else is here? Let me see. Any volunteers? Okay, Arya, you want to go? Arya, I don't know the last name. Yeah, Arya, go ahead. Ka,
Ka,
za,
za,
ada,
ada,
adha,
adha,
fa.
fa.
Okay, very good. So ka, za, ada, dha, fa. They all come from different regions of the throat, so they are not really a group. Like the others up here are more like groups. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing with transliteration. So it will be written in English.
Arya's last name.
Pardon me? Okay, Arya, can you write your full name, please? Can you rename yourself and put your full name there? So,
Arya, can you put your full name?
do you know how to rename yourself?
No.
Okay, look at this right upper corner. You will see the 3 dots. And if you click on that, maybe you will get an option to rename. Do you see the rename option? If you click on those 3 dots, you will see the rename option. Okay, you got it now. Okay, very good. Excellent. So now I'm going to share the other screen here, which is with the transliteration. Now you see all this transliteration here. Okay, Aradhya Paliwal. No, Adya Paliwal. Okay, go ahead.
I have a question.
Okay.
So in the first one, the one with the bindi at the very bottom, right? And this one, the letters with the bindi don't look like the pronunciations you said.
Yeah, the k is there, but then there are some extra additional letters in the transliteration. K and g, you can ignore that. Then there's a z, and you see the f there. They're just in a different order. So even though it says capitalized R here, we don't pronounce it as R. We say it as a da. And RH as dh, just like it's here, d and dh. Even though it's written as R and RH in English, because they don't have more letters for this, because capital D, DH, small d, DH have already been used. So for this, and you can see like when we say sari, right? You hear the word re instead of a D, whereas the original word is actually sari, but we end up calling it sari. So that's why this is R. It's a retroflex sound. Or if you hear
Okay.
the word puri, puri is again we call it puri, but it should be puri because it's originally it's a duh, but then becomes a r when we say it in a retroflex way, right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so Adya, do you want to try saying all these first line of vowels now? Adya Paliwal, I know we have two Adyas.
Okay, but the 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 AO one is a little hard for me.
So AO is O, like we say office or orange. Can you say that? Office or like we say awesome. How do you say awesome? Do we say awesome or awesome?
Awesome.
Awesome. Like make it aw, like with a or rounded October or octopus. So then that's that aw, yeah, aw sound. Okay, now can you say like we say August? Okay, so say now.
E U ri.
A as in apple.
A
A
E
I
O
Ang aha. Okay, very good. Okay, Dia, you have your hand up. Do you want to go next?
I have a question. I can't like spell the RIAE one. I can spell the RI, but not the AE one.
So A is a, like we say apple.
Yeah, like I can't do the E and A, like, yeah,
You mean
mixed together.
AE, don't worry about how it's written in English. Just think if you can make the sound a. Can you say a?
Yeah,
Like,
I can say that.
Yeah, that's it. Don't worry about how it's written, because again English doesn't have all these sounds that we have in Hindi, so that's why there has to be a combination of AE, otherwise it's hard to put it as a sound. Okay, so
Okay.
Dia, can you say the first group of consonants?
Ki.
So not ki, but k, k,
K, K, K, G, G, Ng, Nga.
Very good. So it's k, k, g, ng.
Okay.
Okay. So Siddhant, you have your hand up. Do you want to go next?
Yes.
Okay. Go with the second group of consonants. So this is ch. Even though it's written as C, we don't say it as k because this is for transliteration purposes. So this is, remember, it starts from the palate. So it's ch, j, j, nya. Okay, so can you say it all together? Very good. J, j. Make it a little bit bigger. J. Can you say ch, j, j, nya? Nya. Okay. Who is next? Ahika, are you there? Ahika, did you raise your hand?
Okay.
Okay, so say this third group of retroflex sounds. Ta, tha. So say with a t, ta, tha. Da, dha. Na. Very good. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Can you say that together?
Okay. Ta da 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 nya.
Let's try it one more time. Ta, tha, da, dha,
Da da
na.
na.
Okay, very good. Okay, next group. Netra, are you ready? Okay, go. So these are dental sounds, tongue touching the teeth. Ta, tha,
Ta, ta,
it's as in netra, right? Ta. And then the, dha.
na.
Say all five together. Netra.
Okay. Ta, ta, da, da, na.
Bahut acha. Okay, so now you may unmute. Okay, Tia, you want to go next?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are labial.
Pa fa ba bha ma.
Good. But except for pha, instead of saying pha, say pha. Pa, pha. Like just the lips touching each other.
Pa 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 ba bha ma.
Bahut acha. Okay, Parnika, you want to go next?
Vidya Ji, her name is not Parnika. Can you ask her to tell her name, first name, last name?
Okay, Parnika, Parnika. Parnika, can you put your last name also there?
I'm not sure how.
Okay, look at the right upper corner. You will see 3 dots. Click on those and you'll see the rename option.
I can't.
Okay,
Pardon
can
me?
you tell your last name, please?
Just tell your last name, Parnika.
My last name is Gupta.
Gupta. Okay, yeah, so I think you are Ahika and Parnika Gupta, right?
No, she's Naisha, I think.
No,
No.
Naisha is third one. She is in between those two.
Okay, Parnika is a girl's name or the mom's name?
No, girl's name. She's there on our roster, Vasantiji.
Okay.
Okay. So Ahika, please go with, not Ahika, I'm sorry, Parnika. Can you please go with this Yara Lava?
Ya ra la va.
Bahut acha. Okay, Gitansh, do you want to go with the next 4? Sure.
Ksha.
Not
Yeah.
sure. No, not sure. This one, sure. That's in your name, Gitansh.
You mean sha?
Yes. Sure.
Sha. Sa. Ha.
Bahut acha. Excellent. Okay, now who wants to go with the conjunct? Somebody who has not done yet. Who is the next there? Let me see who else is here. Aradhya, you have gone once. Aryan, do you want to go with these conjuncts? Go ahead.
Kash.
So this is ksha. You have to say them together. Ksha.
Ksha.
Ya. Very good.
Tra.
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 Tra with a dental sound. Tra.
Tra.
Tra. Shra. Very good. Okay, Sahasra, you want to go next? Sahasra.
Yes.
Look here.
I don't know how to say that.
Okay, so I'll help you. Look here. Ka. Are you looking at the screen?
Ka.
Ha.
Ha.
Ra.
Za.
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 Fa.
Fa.
Ada.
Ada.
Adha.
Radha.
Okay, very good. Now, who wants to say the first entire line of Varnamala, I mean the vowels and all the consonants? Is anybody ready to say everything together? Okay, Arya is there. Who else? Advik, did you go already before?
No.
Okay, can you say these 2 lines of vowels and all the Varnamala?
Okay.
Do you want the English transliteration or this is okay?
That's okay.
Okay, go ahead.
A, E, U, ri. A,
Like as in apple.
A, E,
I.
I, O,
Or like we say office, or.
O, R,
No, O, O.
R, O, O,
बहुत अच्छा. So keep going.
K, K, G, G,
Nga.
R,
Nga.
Nga. Ch, J, Ya.
Nya. Nya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Th,
T. Start with the tongue touching the tip, roof of your mouth. T.
N.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा.
N. I mean.
Okay. Yeah, but say all five again, touching the teeth. T, th, d, th, na.
Th, d, th, न.
बहुत अच्छा.
फ, प, ख, म.
So when you say f, you are putting your teeth. Can you just use your lips? P, p, b, bh, m.
फ, फ, प, प, म.
बहुत अच्छा. आगे meaning ahead. Go ahead.
य, र, ल, व, श, ष, ह.
क्ष.
अक्ष, ज्ञ, त्र, श.
Shra.
Yeah.
Okay, and the last five. K,
Kha,
Z,
za,
Ada,
ara,
Adha,
ara,
F.
fa.
Okay, now we're going to move on to something that's called matrae. Matrae are the modification symbols. So you don't write these matrae by themselves. They are always written next to the letter. So they are dependent forms. Like in English, you write a vowel separately. That's why you have to remember the spelling. Like if you have to write Geeta, then you write Geeta. But so that's 5 letters. But in Hindi, it's just 2 sounds. Geeta. So you take the letter G, give the E matra, making it Gi, and Ta with the A matra. So we're going to first practice this with Ka, Ki, and then you can say with your own name. So for example, if you see the vowels at the top, it's A, E, U, Ri, A, I, O, Aha. Now the same sounds we're going to make with K instead of A. So it will be K, Ka. You can see the transliteration at the bottom. K, Ka, Ki, Ku, Kri, Ka, Ke, Kai. Like we say cash, that's the one Ka. Ko, Ko, like we say cottage, that's the Ko. Kang, Kaha. Now you see these lines next to this dotted circle. Those are the matras. Those are the lines that we make next to the letter. So if you see Ka and you draw this line next to Ka, it becomes Ka. Then you see the symbol to the left, the line and the rainbow at the top. That's a choti E ki matra, small E sound. Then to the right is the long E sound, ki. And then at the bottom is the U sound, ku, short U, long U. Then there is a kri. And then ka, ke, kai. K with 1 matra, kai with 2 matra. And then for ka, you have this half moon symbol. Then we say ka, ko, kau, ka with a half moon. So to make it ka, you first add a line next to ka and becomes ka. Then you say ko, a line and a line at the top. Kau, line and two lines at the top. Kang, with a bindi on the top. Bindi is a dot. Kaha, two dots next to the letter. So I will say it again. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kri, ka, ke, kai, ka, ko, kau, kang, kaha. Lakshmi, can you say this, please? Lakshmi, are you here? Lakshmi,
Yeah.
can you say this, please? Did you hear what I just said? Ka, ka, ki, ki.
Yes.
Okay, can you
Yes.
please say? Okay. Is your camera on? Please turn the camera on. Lakshmi, are you saying? Can you please unmute yourself and say this aloud?
How can you raise your hand?
Pardon me?
How do you raise your hand?
There is, if you see on the right side, you will see the dots. If you click on those dots, you should be able to see the option. Okay, no, it's not there. Maybe at the bottom, depending on.
The bottom of your screen it says participants. If you click on participants, then in the bottom of the thing it says raise hand.
Right. Very good. Thank
Or
you.
if you're on a computer, you tap reactions, then you tap raise hand or lower hand.
Okay, so I see 9 participants raised hand. So Lakshmi, can you please say kaka kiki?
Kaka, kiki, kuku, krik, ke, kai, koko, kau, kang, ka.
Okay, now this time say it in a singing way. Kaka kiki kuku kri.
Okay, whatever.
Can you say please?
Okay. Kaka, kiki, kuku, krik, ke,
Ka. Now this one is ka. Ka ke kai.
ka, ke, kai, koko, kau, kang, kaha.
Okay, very good. Okay, so Anish, do you want to say the next, this, use the same sounds, but say with a no. Can you say na, na, ni, ni, no, no, nri, na, ne,
Na, na, ni, ni, nu, nu,
nri,
ni,
na, ne, nai,
ne, nai,
no, no, no,
no, no, no,
nang, naha.
nang, naha,
Okay, can you say this again, please?
na, nai,
Na, na,
na, ni, nu, ku, nu, nu,
nri,
ni, ni, ne,
na, ne, nai,
nay, no, ko,
no, 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 no,
No.
no,
nang, naha.
No.
Naha.
no, naha.
Okay, बहुत अच्छा. So let's see who else hasn't gone yet. Anybody who hasn't gone yet, they want to go?
I haven't gone yet.
Who hasn't gone yet?
I haven't gone yet.
Who? Who is saying?
Me. Soham.
Soham, you went at the beginning, right? Okay, but Soham, you can go again and say with ba, 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 bi, bi.
I haven't gone.
Who is it? Oh, Mishka?
Yeah.
Okay, Mishka, go ahead, please. Say with Da, di, because your last name is there with the Deshpande, the. Can you say da, di?
Da da di di do 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 three da
Da,
di da di de da
dai,
do dai
do, do, do,
da do da
dang, daha.
dum da.
So now I'm hearing a little bit of an air. I'm hearing aspiration like dham, dha. Say it without the air, like the, da, di, do, dri, da, de, dai, do, do, dang, daha. Can you say that? Mishka,
Da.
go again.
Da di di
No, say that. Da, di,
da da di di do three day
da, de, dai,
da day day
do, do,
da do do
dang, daha.
dum da.
बहुत अच्छा. Okay. Arthur, can you go with sa, si? Because your last name is with a sa. Can you say sa,
Sa
si,
CC
su, sri,
Su Sri
sa, say,
Sa say say
so, so,
Sa so
sang, saha.
Sang Saha
Okay, so let's now say it all together.
Sa Si Su Sri Sai Say Sai Sao Sao Sin Skin
Sang,
Saha.
saha. बहुत अच्छा. Excellent job, Arthur. Good job. Okay, Nandini, do you want to go with pa? Say all the matraएं.
Pa, P, poo, pre, pa, pay, pa, po, pun, paha.
Okay, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Soham Bothra, do you want to go now and go with Baba?
Yes. Pa, pi, poo, pre, pa, pay, pa, po, pum, paha.
बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Aradhya Lal, do you want to go with la?
What? No.
La, like we say Larry, la, lay. Okay, please everybody mute yourself. I'm hearing a lot of noises in the background. Lo, low. Long, laha. Okay, can you say the whole line together, Aradhya, please? Sing it, have fun with it. La, li, lu, ri. La, lay. Law. Like we say law, loft, law. Lo, lo, low.
Lo, lo,
Lang, la.
lang, ha.
बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Lasya, can you go with ya, please? Ya, ya, ye.
Ya, ya, ye, you. Ya, yo, ye, yay. Yo, yo, yo.
No.
Kaha.
Okay, please, parents, I'm hearing lot of background noises. Everybody, mute yourself. Lasya, can you go again?
I am.
Ya, ya, ye. Lasya.
Ya, ya, ye, yo, ye.
Ya, ye, yay.
Ye, yay.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yang, yaha.
Yang, ya.
Okay, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Sesha, do you want to go next with the show? And Lasya, can you put your sister's name also up there? Because otherwise I don't remember. Everybody should be their own window with their own name, so we can see everybody. Okay, or you can put Lasya and what is your sister's name? Put both the names in there, rename yourself.
Vidya ji, there is Sevak BV4. I don't know who that is.
Oh, I think that is Lata ji.
Lata ji?
Yeah,
Okay.
like Sevak, right? I think that's the Chinmay Mission ID she's using.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so Sesha, please go ahead with Sh. Sha.
Sh, she, shu, shri, she,
Sha, like we say shack. Sha, she,
sha, she, shai, sho,
Shaw, like we say Sean.
sha, sho, shao,
Sham,
shin,
Shaha.
shang, shaha.
Okay, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, now Bhavika, can you say the whole alphabet once? Or you can start with the vowels if that's all you want to do. You can decide.
I'll try to do the whole alphabet.
Okay, pardon me.
I'll try doing the whole alphabet.
Okay, and do you say your name Bhavika or Bhavika?
Bhavika.
Bhavika. Okay, please go ahead. Can you please come closer to the microphone? We cannot hear you. Come closer to the microphone.
E, U, E,
So this is A, I, O.
Na, cha, ja, na,
Nya.
nya. Da, na.
So make sure touching the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Ta, tha, da, dha, na.
Da, na. Papa, ba, ma. Ya, la, ba. Sh, sa,
Sha, sa, ha.
sa, ha. Sh, ga, tra, sha.
Ka,
Ka,
za,
za,
da,
da,
dha,
da,
fa.
va.
Okay, बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Mukund, are you there? Can you say all the matra with cha cha?
Okay. Cha cha, chi chi, chu chu, chri, che,
So this is cha, like we say chang, cha. Cha, che, chai.
cha, che, chai, chao, cho, cheo,
Chow, cha, cho, chow.
cha, cho, chao, chen, chen,
Chung, chaha.
chan, chaha.
So when I'm hearing you, I'm hearing a little bit more air coming out, aspiration. That is the next sound, ch. So this one, keep it as clean as you can, like ch, without the air, ch. I will say it once and then you say the entire line again. See, listen. Ch, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, chri, cha, che, chai, cho, cho, chow, chung, chaha. Can you say that?
Cha,
Cha, cha, cha, cha.
cha, cha, chi, chi, chu, three, che,
Cha, cha, che, chai.
cha, che, chai, cha, cheo,
Cho, cho, chow.
cha, cha, cho,
Chow,
chan,
chung,
cha.
Okay, so I'm going to now quickly. Okay, Nivi, are you there? Nivi, you want to go with bha? Can you say bha, bha, bhi, bhi?
Which page is that in?
This is here, like you see at the bottom, all the matra hai.
Yeah.
So instead of ka, ka, ki, ki, you're going to apply those matra to bha, like all the other kids were doing. Bha, bha, bhi, bhi, bhu, bhu, bri. Bha, bhe, bhai. Bha, bho, bhau. Bhang, bhaha. Can you say that?
Okay. Ba. Ba.
Bha, bha.
Ba.
Bhi, bhi.
D.
Bhu, bhu.
Bu. Bu.
Bri.
Bri.
So say this part again. Bha, bha. Bhi, bhi.
B.
Bhu, bhu. Bri.
Bu. Bri.
Bha, bhe, bhai.
Ba. Be. Bay.
Bha, bho, bhau.
Ba. Bo. Bo.
Bhang, bhaha.
Bang. Ba.
Okay, so I'm going to quickly share my, I think we got enough speaking practice. I'm going to quickly show this on the whiteboard. So let's stop share for a second and I'm going to share the whiteboard. Let's see, share screen, whiteboard, share. And I'm going to show you writing strokes because some of you have not written these letters before. So see if you can see. No, what is happening? Why is it this screen again? Stop share. Let me try again. Share screen. I want whiteboard. Share. Okay, so let's see if you can see. Okay, very good. Now you see this A. So always when you write Hindi, you start at the top and then you go to bottom, then you go left to right. So this is the first vowel A. It should be connected like this. Do you see that A? So now next, if you want to make it A, you just have to add a line to this A. And as you see in Hindi, we write below the line. In English, you write above the line. In Hindi, you write below the line like this, A. And then you give a line at the top. Then you write A. Okay, so this is the first vowel line. Then E. So you again start at the top line, and this is an S, and you make this swirl, E. Then long E sound, E. See if you can write on your notebooks and follow along. Ooh. Now this is a short ooh, just like a number 3. And then for making ooh, you give a big swirl next to that small first e, ooh, ooh. Then the re is a little bit complicated. It's like an opposite K. Oops, sorry. I don't know what's happened here. Okay, let me. Okay, so I think that's better. So this is like an opposite K and you write a Y. So this becomes a re, letter re that you see in the Varnamala. E, U, re. Then we make a sound. You write a and give a half moon. A. A is you line, make 2 lines and give a slanted line. I, and then you give a line at the top. I. Then we go O, O, O. I know I'm going a little bit faster now, but I hope you got the idea that you go top to bottom and left to right and always give a line on the top of your letter. And aha. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to write the consonants. So let me just use the eraser here, or maybe clear all drawing. Okay. So let me go now writing the conjuncts. It's a line and then you write ko. So all you have to do is copy that is there, ko. Remember to make the strokes from top to bottom and left to right. Go. Go. So it's like an opposite 3. And then ngo. Then we go with cho, cho, jo. Some letters are easier than the others, but that's okay. With practice, you'll get better. Jo. If you have any question, if you don't understand what we are doing, how we are writing, please feel free to ask. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Then it is ta, ta, da. This is the easiest group to write. Dha and ana. Then we go to ta, tha, da, dha, na. And the labial sounds. Pa, ha, ba, bha, ma. Bha and ma are similar, but bha has a head at the top. Okay, I'm going to clear this part. Clear all the drawings. Then we go to ya. No, I got that again. Sorry. Draw. Ya. Ra. La. You can follow along with the alphabet sheet that you have. Va. We'll be almost done in another 2-3 minutes. Sha. Sha. Sa. Ha. Then ksha. These are a little bit harder to write, so just follow along. Tra. Gya. Shra. And then we'll write the Varnamala with the matra. So ka. Then you give a line next to it. It becomes ka. The same letter. Again, you write K and give a line next to it to the left and then invert the top key and the long E sound key. Then we go with Ku, Ku, Kri, Kya, Ke, Kai, Ka, like we say cottage, Ko, Kau, Kang, Kaha. Okay. So this is where we're going to stop for now. I hope you got to practice the verbal part and writing part. You'll have to do it at home and submit those as written assignments in your assignment folder that you have already created. If you have any questions, feel free to ask now. You will write it 3 times this week. You can do it anytime, any day. It doesn't need to be on a certain day. 3 times writing practice, the whole Varnamala. And the matra, ka, ka, ki, ku, kri, that. Then you will also say this on the voice thread. I will send you the voice thread link, and the written assignment will also be given to you by email so that you know that it needs to be done. Okay, do you have any question, Ahika?
Bye.
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 See you. Namaste.
Bye. Namaste.
When are the assignments due?
Bye, namaste.
Assignments are due by next week. Next
Bye,
class.
namaste.
Bye, thank you.
Okay, bye. Namaste. If anybody has any question? Okay, Adya, you have a question?
Yes, so on the voice thingy, do you also have a video? So if we forgot how to say it, then you can say it on video.
Yes, yes, you can listen. I will have my comment at the very top, and you can listen to those comments and then again and again, and then you can record your comment.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Diyansh, I'm just seeing you now. Namaste. Do you want to practice saying any of the alphabets?
No, when is the next class?
Next class is next Friday, same time, 6:30 to 7:30. But in the meantime, please complete your writing and staying on the voice thread assignments 3 times. Okay?
Is it on the email?
I will send the email and you will write in your notebook. Then you scan that assignment and then you will upload it on the your drive. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So looks like Diyan has left. Bye. Bye, Ahika. Namaste. Bye,
Bye,
Sesha.
namaste.
Bye, Advik.
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead. Who has a question?
For the recording homework, where do we do that?
You will do it on the voice thread. I will send you the voice thread link. Okay. And who is this by Lenovo? Who just joined in?
I have also another.
Seisha.
Sesha. Okay. What's your question, Sesha? Or Shanmukha? Do you have a question?
No.
Okay, who just joined in with the Lenovo name? Can you please rename yourself anytime you sign in?
We open with like another account, another device.
Oh, okay. Because I'm seeing you from the side, I cannot figure out that it was sitting next to Shanmukha. Okay, so next time when you sign in, please make sure that you write your name Sesha there, okay? Okay. Parnika, do you have a question? Namaste, Parnika, do you have a question?
I just had a quick question about the homework.
Okay.
So
were you saying, is it on a certain day or we have to do the writing on any day?
You can write on any day, but before the next class. So I will suggest do it on the weekend, so you're free, then you don't have to worry about the rest of the week, right? So you can do it 3 times anytime during the week. It will be better if you can space it out, like Monday, then Wednesday, and maybe Thursday, or Saturday, Sunday, Monday, so that it's not all on one day. Okay?
Okay.
And 3 times writing, 3 times on the voice thread.
And also, are we supposed to like type it onto something, or we are supposed to like write it on a sheet of paper and then take a picture of it, then upload it?
Yes, so for now you will all write it in your notebook. Don't write it just on any sheet of paper, because it will be loose, it will disappear, it will get lost. So keep a notebook. In the notebook, on one page you write, then you scan it and upload it in your folder. Bye. Okay, Ahika, do you have a question?
Yeah, where is gonna be the voicemail, like where you record the alphabet?
I will send you the link by email tonight.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Namaste.
Namaste. Okay. Namaste, Lata ji.
Namaste, namaste, Vasanti ji.
You survived. Vasanti ji.
I'm wondering which student is Sevak B.
Yeah, I'm going to change it because every time I'm switching it, going back to save it. Because after tomorrow Hindi class, I don't have to have that.
Right. Yeah. So you know how to rename, right? You just go on the upper right and rename.
No, I'll have under my name.
Okay.
Because I didn't change this email thing. I just leave it on the computer.
Okay. Very good. ठीक है. नमस्ते. तो कैसा लगा आपको आज का लेसन?
अच्छा, कितने बच्चे थे? मुझे 39 बच्चे दिखे. 39. Okay, I was writing on a piece of paper. I mean book.
Oh wow.
I wrote in the book too. I'm going to enter it in that.
No, because I'm not really that good. So you know what I did? I write each and every name who was here. I think और मेरे वो उसमें से 3 बच्चे थे मेरे group में से.
Okay, very good. So Vasanti ji ended up staying the whole time, right? She thought you will be able to, but people kept coming in the whole time, right? They were leaving and coming back.
Coming, going, and then again rejoining.
Yeah.
So,
that's okay.
We don't have any books, your books so far.
Pardon me?
They don't have your books, right?
Not yet. So because we will give them the books around like 4th week or so. Right now they are going to just work off of the like email documents, because they're just going to work on the vocab list, like words with a matra. Yeah, like reading.
People who are novice, I'm thinking.
Pardon me?
When you were writing fast, I was thinking it might be difficult for the novice.
Right, it will be difficult, but that's why we have given them the tracing sheet and the alphabet sheet and the transliteration sheet. They already have it. So that's why, they could also say very well, right? Did you hear that? Like everybody was just saying whatever we said, even though they were all, many of them were novice, they could say everything. So, and writing is, I think, easier part because you have to see and copy. So we'll see how those assignments turn up, and then we can judge from there.
Okay, that's true.
Okay, namaste.
Okay,
enjoy your weekend. फिर मिलेंगे.
फिर मिलेंगे. Bye.
वसंती जी हम बुधवार को मिलेंगे, लता जी शुक्रवार को. बाय, धन्यवाद. शुभ रात्रि.